Welcome to the first lecture on the self. The first thing we'll talk about is social identity theory, which says that we evaluate everybody, even ourselves, in terms of in or out-group memberships. So I'm going to show you a picture, and I want you to think about the people in the picture and how you would describe them. I imagine that some of you thought of these words. And if you think of those words, you'll notice that all of them describe group membership. So whether you're male or female is indicating whether you're in the male group or the female group. Or whether you're wheelchair bound indicates a group membership. So we tend to categorize other people in terms of these group memberships, and we do this to ourselves as well. So if I asked you to describe yourself, I imagine that many of you would use the word student, which is also another group. Self-perception theory says sometimes we don't know how we really feel. And so when we're kind of faced with a question and we're not sure what we think about it, we'll think back on what we've already done. So let's say we ask this guy, how much do you like Harry Potter? And he's like, I'm not too sure. But he looks back and he thinks, man, I read all those books, and that's a lot of books. So I must love Harry Potter. So he's engaging in self-perception. We asked him a question. He doesn't know for sure what he thinks about it, but he looks back on his own behavior and he makes some sort of judgment on the basis of his behavior about what his attitude is. Self-discrepancy theory says that we have three different selves. The first self is our actual self, and it's who you think you are. Our ought self is who others think you should be, and our ideal self is who you think you should be. And we run into problems when there's a discrepancy with the actual self. So when there's a discrepancy between the ought self and the actual self, we feel guilt. And when there's a discrepancy between the ideal self and the actual self, we feel sadness. For example, if I feel like I think society says I should not have 5-day-old dirty dishes, then I will feel ashamed if I have 5-day-old dirty dishes. Conversely, if I think I should travel more and I don't travel enough, then I'll be disappointed that I don't travel much.